Hey everyone, Robert here, over here at the new HQ, the garage. One of my last videos when I addressed you guys, I was talking about getting the car lowered. Well, I went ahead, ordered the parts from Subimod, got the Pedaler Extreme coilovers, and had them put on by Elite Wraps, a speed shop nearby. You guys want to take a look at it? It came out fantastic. I can't believe it. It even rides great. Check it out. We'll start from the front. Oh, excuse the mess in the garage. We're still unpacking. There we have it. Check that out. That's what I'm calling low. It used to be, let's go over here to the front. This gap right here, this used to be like that big. Like that big. Like 4 inches. Now look at it. I could barely get my hand in there. Check that out. It's even low to the ground, obviously. So I'm totally excited. Look at the back. That's even dropped down too. So she's already had time to settle. I had the work done about 3 weeks ago, so it's had time to be adjusted, settled, all that stuff. Here's the other side. Let me start way up here. There you go. So I'm just using my GoPro to film this because I'm outside doing some work. But as you can tell, that's low. How low can we go? Let's go to the front. Get a front view of it. So that looks good. Looks good. Even the drop in the front's good. Well, so if you're new to the channel and you're watching this is something I'm doing a little bit different because I had some work done to the car. Her name's Jennifer. She's a 2024 Subaru WRX Limited Edition with mods. The wing, which I got from Aeroflow Dynamics, and it looks phenomenal on the car. And then I had the suspension lowered. So I had the coilovers put in through the whole car. I had rear control arms in the rear put on. Those are from White Line, and that's it. So hopefully, maybe the next mod might be brakes. I'm not sure yet, because I wanted to get this car set up the way it is right now, the way you see it, because I'm going to be traveling across the United States and going all over the place. That's my goal. Oh, hey, just a side note. I surpassed my 100,000 subscriber mark. I'm now over 185,000, almost 200,000 subscribers. Now with that said, I want to thank all my OG subscribers. You guys have stuck with me for the last 2 years. The to-be subscribers, subscribe and stay, be a sticky subscriber. That's what I always say. Not much else to show you right now, but this is what I've been waiting to show you guys. I just wanted to find the right time to do it. In some good lighting, you know, so to show you what it looks like. But it looks great, and the handle's awesome. With that said, hey, until the next video, late.